So we've got this match from German Bundesliga 2 that we're going to be trading. It's Dresden against Firth, and as you can see, Dresden are a favourite. We're going to trade the correct score market, so we're going to turn to the AI and the football trading Genie to give us a target score formula to follow on this one. It's going to crunch all the numbers, it's going to tell us what it's expecting, and it does say expecting a narrow home win, probably around a 2-1 result, but of course as traders we're going to cover scores around that, and the plan A covers 1-0, 2-0, 2-1. Plan B is covering draws 1-1 and 2-2. So anyway, let's get set up, and looks like I got set up in a nick of time. Okay, it's just kicked off. So anyway, we've got the scores covered, as you can see, the 1-0, 1-1, 2-0, 2-1 and the 2-2. Okay, so everything is set and ready to go, and yep, that's it. So it's going to be interesting. We'll give you more updates in play. Just reached half time here. It's Dresden 1, Firth 0, with Dresden taking the lead on the 35th minute. So we're on a green score at half time. We've got all our scores still alive, so that's probably one of the best positions you can be in, to be on a green score with all your scores still alive. So we're in a strong position on this one. So you might think, well, look, yeah, we could just lock in the profits. Well, when you're in a strong position, that's when you need to try and maximize your profits. So anyway, we are expecting more goals in the second half. So what we will do is we will lay off all the green on the 1-0 and put that down to 0 basically, and that will put us in a position. You can see it's putting more green on the other green scores, and it's putting less red on the red scores. So it's a strong move to make. If this does remain 1-0, it just means we break even, but we've got the next two possible scores with a little bit more green now, and then depending on the goal timings, we can trade from there when the next goal goes in. So it's all dependent on if and when that next goal is scored. So let's give you more updates in the second half. But half time, so far so good. It's Dresden 1, Firth 0. 52 minutes, we just hit 2-0 to Dresden. So the decision to obviously lay off that 1-0 was the correct one. We've now lost the 1-1. We're on the 2-0, which is interesting. So we're on a 2-0. We've got a fair amount of green on that. The cash out is only offering us around 27.50 at the moment if we wanted to lock it in. Keep in mind we don't have 3-0 covered also. But anyway, what we will do is we're going to just start to try and lower the overall liability on this trade once again. So we'll lay off some of the green on the 2-0. Ideally for us, if Firth can get on the score sheet, that would be quite good for us. So I'm going to try and lay this off. I might have to just move it so we can get taken in this clip. Well, actually, we'll let it run. But anyway, what that will do is it will just lower the overall risk on this trade down to £50. Obviously, a third goal for Dresden at this stage, then the trade would be dead, but we're not going to be losing our full stake or anything like that. We're going to let time decay do its job, and then we will check in a little bit later on. But ideally, if we can get on a 2-1, then that's our most ideal scenario, or it just remains 2-0 for a bit longer. Let's see what happens. 52 minutes on the clock. It's Dresden 2, Firth 0. So we're at the 78th minute of this one, heading into the final 10 minutes. The price on 2-0's gone below even, so I took the liberty just to lay off our final risk once it hit evens, just so there's no more risk in the market, because obviously another goal to Dresden, we were exposed on the 3-0, and as it stands, I mean, Firth don't look like they're going to score, but we do have better green on the 2-1 and the 2-2. So as it stands, we're just happy to just let this run. Okay, we'll let this run on the 2-0. If it remains 2-0, we collect £61. Another goal to Dresden would obviously put us to break even, but we're really trying to position ourselves for a 2-1. A 2-1 to Dresden would be what really makes the money for us. So anyway, that's the position headed into the final stages. Let's see what happens. It's 2-0 to Dresden. So here we are, 92nd minute, and it looks like this is just going to finish as a 2-0 win for Dresden. So pretty straightforward. Obviously that was one of our target scores. We didn't have the 3-0 covered, but you saw how we traded it out, and you just saw as the match developed, we're slowly but surely trying to lower our risk and remove the risk and just put ourselves in a position to profit. And you obviously saw the reasons why I left the green on the 2-0. We had nothing on the 3-0. mainly because we were trying to get that goal for Firth, which would have substantially increased our profits. Didn't happen in this one, but we still made a very nice return. Okay, £61. That is it. Very simple, almost boring correct score trade, and this is going to be probably the vast majority of your correct score trades. It's just going to be ones where you collect some profits and yeah, you just move on. So anyway, yeah, that's the final score. Dresden 2, Firth 0. So if you like checking that out and you want to see more football trading clips just like this, then remember to hit the like button to let YouTube know, and YouTube will provide you with more clips just like this in the future. And in case you were wondering, the tool we're using in this video, it is the Football Trading Genie, and you can use this to start trading football with AI today. You can scan the QR code or click the link in the description and you can learn more about it or potentially get a demo, or if it's available, you might be able to just get it right away. So remember, the Football Trading Genie, this is your own AI powered football trading assistant. It's a great bit of kit. It's an absolute priceless time saver, and you've already seen how good it is. But anyway, if you want to see more about it or get a demo, as said, there are links in the description of this video, or you can scan the QR code that is on the screen and you could be trading football with AI today. So anyway, that is the Football Trading Genie. Definitely try and get your hands on that. And what you just watched was just a clip. And if you want to see the full video, which has many more real life trading demonstrations, just like the one you just watched, then click the video that is on the screen. The link to this video is also in the description of this video too. Anyway, click on that video and I'll see you in the next video.